we up to today?
The holiday.
Going on holidays?
Yeah.
Where are we going on holidays to?
Baby.
Oh, Bribey. What's the caravan park called?
Sandstone pool.
Cool, how old are you?
2.
Righto, we've made it to Sandstone Point Caravan Park. We're going to be here for 3 nights. This place is an absolute ripper. We're staying here with some friends.
They're our Roma friends, former neighbours.
Show you this awesome park. There's so much to do here. Keep the kids busy all day and the adults too. Anyway, roll on some clips and show you around the park. Like an ensuite, but check this out. We got into some luck here. So 2 parent rooms. Look at this. These are the parent rooms, full ensuite. everything you need. And the best part about it is I'll show you where our campsite is. Boom, perfect, right next to it. So pretty much to me, that's an ensuite site. Just getting changed into their togs, bud. What are we going to do? We're going to hit up the pool?
Yeah.
Have you been having fun?
Yeah.
What's been your favourite part so far? What activities?
Swimming.
Swimming, yeah, you like the pool?
Water park.
Water park, how are the slides? Are they scary? Not too scary?
A biggest one had light.
Rainbow
light.
It does have rainbow lights. Anyway, we're going to go hit up the pool now, hey? Yeah, we're going to go, I think Mum will probably park herself in the spa, and we're going to hit up some slides, eh?
Yeah.
Alright, you want to punch it? Oh, that was a big one. You've been here for a couple of nights now. What's been your favourite thing? What have you enjoyed or not enjoyed?
I like the pools, and I like the coffee and the cocktails.
Coffee. You like getting the food and drinks delivered to your little sun lounge?
It's good.
Nice, alright.
Why you didn't want to do whistle?
Why didn't I blow the whistle?
Yeah.
Because I gave you guys some free range. Oh, lucky there's a gate here. Or you'll be in here all the time.
Well,
Ready?
actually,
Yeah.
update on how to get around with your kids around the park when they're speed demons on their BMXs. Willow, our oldest, has got her training wheels off, so she's cruising around, and Summer's started to ride a bike with training wheels pretty confident. So we've got these two, we bought two scooters, one each, one for mum, one for dad, and it makes it so much easier to keep up with them around the park. Without these, the kids are gone and we've got no idea. So about $100 each from Big W, and they're a winner, mate. You get around so fast.
I
with the gang, we some pup-ups. Stay on top of green like a putt-putt-putt. Acting on me,
Here's
idiot.
what they call Beanbag Island. Check it out.
I roll, no drip, this a river, I roll, no drip. I roll, no drip, this a river, I roll, I know. I roll, no drip, this a river, I roll, no drip. I roll, no drip, this a river, I roll, I know. I can chop your belly big and not eat good. Not one, not two, I'm talking three good. You move shaky, you play me, you only preach good. Tried this on me, you owe me, you should've schemed good. Now I got you alright. Hot girl summer, had to put you on nice. Talking on my ear, alright. She just want the Louis, but I got from Off-White, right? Racks under my pillow, now I sleep good. LA onto the choker so she can breathe good. And my little babies get whatever they want. If I say it, I mean it, no front. I know, I roll, no drip, this a river, I roll, no drip. I roll, no drip, this a river, I roll, I know. I roll, no drip, this a river, I roll, no drip.
What do you reckon?
I roll, no drip, this a river, I roll, I know.
Bye-bye. See you later. Rightio, Sandstone Point Holiday Park. I give it a 10 out of 10. Awesome. It was such a brilliant place, so many activities to do. It's great to catch up with old friends and just have a bit of fun, hey Willow? Yeah. So thanks for watching another video. I don't know where we're heading next, but there'll be Yeppoon. Willow's got her order in for Yeppoon, so I might be back there yet again. But yeah, he's alright. Okay, well, we'll see you later. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. You know, write a comment, ask us a question, whatever you like. I'm going to keep making them. You want to say see you later? See you later.
We love you, holidays. We hope we don't go away sad.
You want to punch it? See ya.
Hey.